I'm Peter Hedgelon, the mayor of the city of Oneida, and today I'd like to explain to you some of the deficiencies with the city of Oneida court facilities that are currently provided in the city of Oneida. The state Office of Court Administration has issued regulations which have the rule of law, or which have the effect of law, relating to guidelines for what court facilities should have. And the city of Oneida court does not meet those guidelines in many respects. They range from things as simple as there being no fire alarm or extinguisher system. This is a court that is a trial court, both of criminal and civil matters, and we have jury trials. We do not have a jury deliberation room in our court facility. The guidelines require that a jury room be soundproof and have bathroom facilities for the jurors. What is done if there's a jury trial here is they use the conference room on the second floor of City Hall, which is not soundproof and which is in a public space. So the sanctity of the jury system is put at risk. There are several confidential functions that should have private rooms. These include jury deliberations, attorney-client conferences and interviews, and the clerk constantly is talking about private information and confidential information. Our clerks do not have private workspace in which that can be done. There are a number of issues with respect to security, some of which I will not talk about because they go to truly the physical security of the court. But one of the things that we're supposed to have is a prisoner holding facility that is adjacent to the courtroom that allows for the segregation of males and females. We do not have that. Prisoners are kept in the only attorney-client meeting room that we have, and when there are prisoners in court, attorneys have no place to talk to their clients in any privacy. The court guidelines require that there be separate patterns of circulation for the judges, the jurors, the prisoners, and the public. What that means is that once a jury is picked, that jury should not be mingling with the members of the public. That is to avoid any effort made to influence the jury. We don't have a way for the jurors to get to and from areas without mingling with the public. The same is true for prisoners. When prisoners are brought into court, they go down a public highway, which is a security issue. Courtrooms, there is a picture of our courtroom, is supposed to have a judge's bench, which we have. The judge uses the common council facilities. There's also supposed to be a separate witness stand, a separate court reporter stand, a clerk station, and a jury box. Our courtroom does not have those things. And when we have court and we have trials, we have to cobble up a solution that really does not provide the degree of separation from the public that is desired. The jury deliberation room should be right next door to the court. That is not the case in our facility. Excuse me. The security personnel need to have certain first aid facilities. There's supposed to be an office. There should be an appropriate locker room for the court security. Among the pictures that are available is the locker room that our court officers use, and you can see for itself. For 30 years, the city of Oneida has not complied with the judiciary law with respect to providing good and sufficient court facilities. We have an opportunity to provide facilities that will satisfy these guidelines and these regulations at a very low cost by converting the former Herb Phillipson's building. The other alternatives that were studied by the city would be ranging anywhere from $8 to $16 million. So I just wanted you to have this information. Thank you very much.